Puebla, Mexico today, right outside an Oxxo store where I'm jumping in for a shift. I brought the camera along to show what it's like. They gave me this classic red and yellow polo and I'm heading in. First job, restocking the cold drinks. It's hot here in Mexico City on a side street, helping out at this tamale stand. Check this out.
Hola, buenas tardes.
This is Maria. She's showing me how it's done.
She's helping me sell today.
We've got a pot full of hot tamales right here. Let me show you how we serve one. You grab it with the tongs. We're in Chalco, just east of Mexico City, and I'm behind the wheel of a combi. Traffic's packed this morning, but I'm going to give you a little tour while I crawl through it. The radio's on a local station full of cumbias. It sets the mood perfectly, so let me turn it up a bit. Hey everyone, checking in from Playa del Carmen. Today I'm on the beach with a little side project selling fish empanadas, 40 pesos each.
Hola, una, por favor.
Claro que sí. Empanada de pescado recién hecha.
Gracias.
I'm in Tlaxcala, Mexico, outside a Dr. Simi pharmacy. I'm doing a shift here today to learn how these community pharmacies operate. Let's head inside. Buenos dias. 65 pesos.
Gracias.
Aquí tiene. In Iztapalapa in Mexico City, I'm trying out a new job today, working as a windshield cleaner at this intersection. I've got the squeegee, bottle of soapy water, and when the light turns red, we go. Buenos dias. Buen dia. All right, we're live from Neza. I'm at a baile popular working the sonidero booth. I'm mixing some cumbia sonidera for everybody tonight. Check out this energy. Saludos a toda la banda de Neza. Aquí estamos con sonido Altman, pura sabrosura. Now we're out in the zócalo here in Mexico City. I picked up a bunch of balloons and I'm gonna see how good a vendor I can be. ¿Quieres un globo? Sí, el rojo, por favor. The red one? Got it. Here you go, amigo. Thank you, gracias. Appreciate it. Enjoy. It's actually pretty